Yo, yo. Beto, or Bidu, and Larry Maguire. Druzy. What do we got here? BC Roski. How are you, man? I'm actually quite sick at the moment. It's not COVID, though. I did a test and it came back negative. But you can probably hear it in my voice. I'm a bit bunged up. So I probably won't stream for that long today. But it'll be cool to see the daily candle. Hello, Lucifer Morningstar. Today's candle went well. Up 2%. Testing the top of this pennant here. Yeah, I should get better. I should be alright. Moha. Hey. So check it out. We're coming up and testing the top of this pennant. Are we gonna break it? That's the big question. So this will be a pretty chill stream, I think. It's just mainly to watch what happens and see if we can break out of this pennant, which is against the textbook, which would be really cool. But it could just be a suckers rally. Like it could we could come up and test this high here, or even this one over here, 23k. So yeah, 22 or 23 we might be testing if we break out today, or on the new daily candle. We'll have to see how it goes. Just be careful that you don't get caught buying in like late if you're just trading it short term. Not a mouse, thank you. Yeah, appreciate the thought there. Yeah, I hope I get better as soon as possible. It's just a head cold, I think. Yeah, it's nothing sinister. But yeah, headaches. I didn't really sleep well last night. Probably got like about 4 hours or less. Yeah, chemtrails. Tim Webb. That's right. So, yeah, it's just pretty much just sit back and watch it, see what happens. This blue line was our 2017 all-time high. It didn't quite make it to 20k, but we call it 20k anyway, just to round it up. As you can see back here, this is the 2017 all-time high. Thanks, buddy. But yeah, we didn't quite make it to 20. So with that information, like, perhaps that blue line may be of more significance than the actual $20,000 level. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm just going to go on a really short time frame here, the 5-minute, because we are coming up to a pretty important test, and that is this high here. We'll go to the 15-minute. I just want to see what price that is on the high. 20,750. That's our resistance there. Yeah, it's a beautiful little uptrend there on the short term, you know? You know, buddy, it is quite possible. It's still on the cards. We could certainly go up from here. But just wait. We have to wait for confirmation. That's the key. The market will tell us where it goes. We can't tell it where it's gonna go. Thank you, Moving Pangea. Yeah, rest is a good idea. I'll probably do that after this stream, I think. I watched a pretty interesting documentary yesterday on Bitcoin and global economics. I'll see if I can find it. The exact video that I watched. It was called The Great Reset and the Rise of Bitcoin. So let me grab a link for you guys in case you want to watch that after this. That's it there. So queue that up and put it in your watch list for sure. And remember to smash the like button if you haven't already. That would greatly help out. So we're not far off the retest of this high. Less than 1%. Yeah, down here the MACD for sure. Nice little uptick on the 15-minute. Even on the hourly, it's showing strength there. But I think the key time frame to check would definitely be the weekly. We want to see this MACD start to curl up. And, you know, signal line, something like that. And then possibly we'll get a cross if these bars continue to reduce down. And, you know, we get a flip. We'll see. But yeah, that's been a nice dip on the RSI on the weekly. You can see we've come right down and gone below 30. So this has been amazing opportunities for buying, if you ask me. If it goes further down, then yeah, it's just the start. This is just the starting area. I mean, even this wasn't that bad. If you were doing buys through the 30k region, that's still okay, but you know, you certainly want to get in on some of these opportunities down at the 20k level as well, just to even it out and get a better overall position through here. So we've got, what's that? 22 minutes left the daily candle. Ethereum's had a really good day. Let's have a look at that. It's in an ascending triangle, which is kind of, you know, bilateral. Like it could go either way. There's no real bias either side. It's a fairly even opportunity to go up or down. Just remember, I think if Bitcoin breaks out from this wedge, from this pennant here to the upside, there's a good chance Ethereum's going to follow not far behind and get its break, potentially back up to its old all-time high and above. So we'll see how that goes. Solana had a good day as well. 4.8%. From the extreme bottom to top there for the day, it has performed almost, well, over 8%. So not bad at all. Scotty. So that's Solana. Yeah, the Soul Train, exactly. Nice, yeah, that's cool. Good choice there, buddy. I think Solana's going to have some kind of place in the next bull market. Unless something really tragic happens to Solana as a project, then I don't see why it can't perform, you know, amazing in the next cycle. But yeah, time will tell. So we're just waiting. 20 more minutes to go till we get that close, that daily close, and then potentially sometimes the start of the day gets a lot of movement for some reason. So hopefully something happens on you know, the turn of the candle. I think the hourly candle, I'm on the 15-minute right now, but yeah, the 8 o'clock candle for me, 8 a.m., that rocketed up. It sort of started around here and it just exploded up, which is really cool. Early days, early days. So at the moment, it looks like it's, yeah, potentially just doing another little pullback before, you know, maybe we get that rise to the top to get that test. But we will see. We will see. So what do we got? 15 minutes? 15 and a half? It'd be cool to see some kind of move up, definitely. You know, if we break out of here, it may only come to the top of the range, like, you know, retest this high here. This high here. Or even potentially these two. So there's a few targets on the table there for a breakout to the upside. Targets to the downside, of course, are 17,622. So we'll see how we go. Thomas. Not much, my friend. I'm just sick as a dog. Fighting a bit of a head cold. David. Hard to type, my hands are busy. Lex Leone. What up? Yeah, let's see some movement on Bitcoin. Like, damn, it's been so like boring, you know? Stuck in this pennant for so long, it feels. At least it's a more exciting deal than the one that happened back here. You see the pennant that formed here, it broke to the upside, which was really cool. Go back to the hourly, we'll see it a bit better. But, you know, you can see the example here of what is likely to happen. Even though it broke to the upside, it was short-lived and it got shoved straight back down, and we had all this, you know, these shenanigans around 30K until eventually we lost it and rolled over to 20K and below. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let me check out Sheeb. Sheeb is being asked about in the chat there. Don't have it in my top 20 watch list here. Let me just check. Moon cycles for Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. It's always fun to check the moon cycles. So Shiba from the extreme bottom to the bounce there, almost 70%, which is pretty cool. Not bad returns there. Yeah, just like with Dogecoin, Shiba has potential to run up. It's in a very similar sort of position as Dogecoin is. You know, it's retraced, found support. I don't know if that's going to be the extreme bottom, 5 cents, but for now it seems to be. So yeah, keep an eye on it. Got about 10 minutes left. Oh, very good. You've been making money with Shiba. Shiba. That's good. This next 15-minute candle, or this final 15-minute candle, has started stronger than the previous two. So that's a sign that we might get one more push before the day is out. Let's watch it from this side. There it goes. Another push up. Can we get it to go higher? So it's not quite there yet. Less than 4 minutes to go. But yeah, this is a strong candle to close on. If we stay anywhere near where we are, that's not a bad candle for a daily candle right there. The buyer is in control for the past 24 hours. We've seen a lot of buying, so maybe a little bit of confidence is coming back into the market. Sorry, I meant 8 minutes to go. I was on the wrong time frame. Not long now. Seems like the price is like kind of stuck. It hasn't done anything yet. David, my voice is very soothing and it puts me at peace. I'm a peacekeeper. What can I say? Almost 40 people tuned in. Well done, guys. A bullish voice, yeah. Yes, sir. Bit of a retracement here on the micro scale. You're welcome, Jimmy. Don't mind me, I'm just relaxing here watching the charts. Sitting back with my dog on my lap. Bit of a 1 minute hammer there. You see that? That previous candle there, that little green one. Two minutes left of the hour. The bulls are ready. Yeah, that's the idea, Jimmy. I'm glad to hear that people are learning. They're getting value out of these streams. There we go. That's a little tick up. Yeah, the new daily. Let's see if it like takes off or whether it just stays flat like it currently is. It almost looks like a little bit of a falling wedge at the moment, or a bull wedge, like a bull pennant kind of thing, something like this. Yeah, I would say it's, yeah. You could argue that that's a falling wedge on a micro scale, something like that. So we're in our final minute of the day. 15 seconds. There we go. That's the new day right there. We made it. Exactly. Let's go. Where's that green? I feared this might happen, like where it just doesn't do anything. Break of the new day. Who's in control here? The Bulls or the Bears? Going off the last few hours, it's been the Bulls. Here we go. Here's a possible uptick. Are we going to get that textbook breakout from this falling wedge on the micro scale? Come on, Bitcoin, you know you want to. See, that's the frustrating thing about a bear market. Trying to follow bullish rallies are more often than not very disappointing, to say the least. You know, the overall sentiment is bearish lately. But there will be a point where it all turns around. It'd be nice to see some kind of a relief rally. Time to test the top of this smaller falling wedge. I agree, David. Neither the Bulls nor the Bears are in control. It's only the whales that are in control. But are those bullish whales or bearish whales? You know what I mean? Pablo Villagomez. Yes, I'm back. Streaming a little bit more regularly these days. It's good to see there's almost 40 people. 41 people. Ooh, look at that. Retest of the top, followed by a bit of a take profit there. That's quite nasty. See, things look so dramatic on the 1 minute chart. So dramatic. There you go, there's that drop. Go to a bit of a higher time frame. It's been quite a steady move up. Uh, do we have a rising wedge though? Do we have something like that? Potentially. It's not very clean. Probably doesn't go all the way back to here. Maybe something more like that. Yes, I saw your message there, Aaron Gomez. Let me. You asked for an invite. Let me see. I'll put an invite to the Discord in the YouTube chat. Free Discord. Free to join Discord channel. Pin that to the top. I'm not currently in the Discord right now. Rick, do you still go on Tame's Discord? No, I don't. I don't go on Tame's. I barely go on my own. Sometimes I'll pop into B's, but it's not for very long. All I've really been doing is doing some streams, almost daily, every other day, just to catch up and document what we're seeing. But yeah, this line certainly seems like it does calm down. More like that. Let's see if we can maintain support, this angular support going up. Oh, thanks, Sarah. Yeah, I popped into B server the other day, the other week. So, yeah, in the next couple of hours, like maybe we'll see a break to the top side, but it's a little slow to start with. So far, it's a pullback off the last 3 green 4-hour candles. I think I'm going to delete some of these lines just to make it a bit easier and simpler to read. A different blue so we can see it better. 1 minute double bottom. Yeah, like here. Yeah, potentially. Let's see where the momentum's going. Momentum still seems up, doesn't it? Hasn't quite rolled over just yet. You know, this could be just a healthy pullback. And then we find support somewhere and push again, just like we've been doing. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. This just could be another one. Hopefully it's not violent enough to push us out the bottom. But yeah, just remember rising wedges can be bearish. Price climbing up a rising wedge. Yeah, Pablo, I know the feeling, man. Just take it as a learning experience, you know. It's an expensive lesson, but use less money perhaps while you're learning, you know. If you do want to put decent sized money into the market, maybe invest it rather than trade. Trading's not the easiest. It's not easy to trade. Anyway, guys, sorry that it's been quite a boring stream. Like, I haven't talked that much today, but hopefully by the next time I put a stream up, we'll go live. I'm feeling better by then, and I'll sound a bit better and have more energy. But anyway, for now, I think I'm going to go rest, and I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Thank you so much for joining and hitting the like button, showing support for the channel. So yeah, appreciate it. Thanks, Sarah. Thanks, DC Woodworking. Thanks, Pablo. Heaven, thank you. Digi Wrench. All right, take care, guys. See you later. Bye.